Hey guys, I just wanted to do a little update to add to the 5.3 videos when you're doing Kramer's rule. Okay, here's maybe a method you might prefer to find that determinant. So remember, when we had a 2 by 2 determinant, let me grab my pen here. If I had a 2 by 2 determinant, what we did is we multiplied these together, and then we said minus, and we multiplied these together. Okay, so it was pretty easy for a 2 by 2. Then when we got to a 3 by 3, it got quite long. Okay, so the method I used in the video is the method that when I learned it years and years and years ago, and that's always what I fall back on. But LB, thanks LB, I don't want to mention your name in case you don't want to, but you'll know who I'm talking about, had a different method that I had forgotten about, and it's a really maybe a preferred method for you. So if we have a 3 by 3, that I want to find the determinant of. So let's say this is my determinant. What I'm going to do is repeat these first two rows in order. And then, much like what we do for a 2 by 2, except it's just an expanded version, I'm going to multiply these together, multiply these together, and multiply these together. Okay, and then we will do a minus, multiply these together, these together, and these together. Okay, so it's very similar to this. It's just extended. Instead of just having one diagonal minus the other, we have 3 diagonals minus 3 diagonals. So let's do this. Let's start right here. So 4 times 7 is 28 times negative 1. So we have negative 28. Okay, and then negative 6 times 3, negative 18 times 6. Let's see, 18 times 6, 108. Okay, and then positive 4. Now don't forget it's minus, and I want to subtract everything, so don't forget those parentheses. Now this will be negative 12 and minus 24 and plus 42. Okay, so very similar to this. And maybe a method you might prefer for finding your determinants when you have to do Kramer's rule. Okay, so let's finish this up. That gives us, what is this, negative 136 plus 4, so negative 132 minus, okay, what's this, negative 36 plus 42, so 42 minus 36 is 6, so negative 138 if you can trust the math that I did quickly in my head. Okay, but that's the process. Okay, let's do it one more time, just for practice. So if we had, just make something up here. Okay, if I needed to find the determinant for this, I will repeat the first two rows. Okay, and then I'll multiply all these together. So 3 times 2 is 6 times 1. I'll multiply these together. So negative 4 times 2. Multiply these together. So plus 10. And then it's minus, don't forget your parenthesis, because I want to subtract all of these. So negative 2. 20 times 3 is 60. And positive 4. So what's that? 8 minus 62 or negative 54. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there. You may prefer finding the determinant of 3 by 3 with this method. Okay, great.